Transform your bathroom into a haven of modern elegance. Our storage shelf features a sleek and contemporary design that effortlessly complements any decor style, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Display your favorite bath accessories, candles, or succulents on the top shelf, while the lower shelves and cabinets offer discreet storage for toiletries, towels, and more. Enjoy the convenience of a well-organized space without the stress. Protect your little ones and add a touch of sophistication to your furniture with our silicone corner guards. Crafted from premium silicone, our corner protectors provide a soft yet durable shield against bumps and bruises. Ensure your furniture stays flawless while creating a safe haven for your family. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to organized bliss. Our foldable storage bins effortlessly combine functionality with a touch of flair, bringing style to your decluttering journey. When not in use, these storage bins fold flat, saving you space and allowing for easy storage. The ultimate solution for a clutter-free closet or shelf. From clothing to accessories, toys to household items, these bins are versatile storage champions. Take a seat wherever you go. Our portable folding stool is your go-to companion for instant, comfortable seating at picnic, camping trips, sports events, or any outdoor adventure. Our folding stool effortlessly folds into a compact size, making it ultra-portable. Slip it into your backpack, tote, or car trunk. Convenience in every fold. Despite its feather-light feel, our stool boasts a robust design. Engineered for stability and durability, it provides a reliable seat for your moments of rest and relaxation. Say goodbye to shoe clutter. Our vertical narrow shoe rack is designed to make the most of your space, fitting seamlessly into tight corners and narrow areas for efficient shoe storage. This sleek shoe rack brings order to your foyer, creating a welcoming space that's both tidy and trend-setting. Our vertical design adds a touch of modern elegance to your shoe storage, turning it into a stylish display that complements your home decor. Keep your car's interior cool, calm, and collected. Our sunshade not only blocks out those scorching rays but does so with a touch of elegance that matches your car's aesthetics. Our sun shade is your car's stylish armor against the sun's relentless assault, keeping the interior looking newer for longer. Our shade is a breeze to install. Transform your shower routine into a hands-free haven. Our self-adhesive holder keeps your shower head securely in place, allowing you to indulge in a truly relaxing and convenient experience. Installing our shower head holder is a breeze. Simply peel, stick, and voila, you're ready to enjoy the freedom of a perfectly positioned shower head. Our holder swivels a full 360 degrees, ensuring that every nook and cranny gets the attention it deserves. Beat the heat wherever life takes you. Our portable neckband fan brings a refreshing breeze to your personal space, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable on the move. The neckband design allows you to enjoy the breeze while keeping your hands free. Perfect for outdoor activities, workouts, or simply lounging around. Elevate your dumpling making experience with our innovative double head mold. Craft 2 delectable dumplings at once, saving time and doubling the joy of your culinary adventure. Our mold simplifies the dumpling making process. Place the dough, add your favorite filling, and let the mold work its magic, creating perfect, restaurant-worthy dumplings effortlessly. Transform your closet chaos into organized elegance. Our drawer organizer is here to revolutionize the way you store your underwear and socks. This organizer features dedicated compartments for underwear and socks, ensuring each item has its own cozy space. No more tangled mess or mismatched pairs, just grab what you need with ease. Say goodbye to spills and scattered rice. Our rice dispenser is designed to deliver a seamless and mess-free rice dispensing experience. With just a simple push, our dispenser flawlessly releases the perfect amount of rice into your waiting container. No more wrestling with bulky bags or dealing with inconvenient scoops. The dispenser comes with an airtight seal that preserves the quality of your rice, keeping it as delicious as the day it arrived. Enjoy every meal with the assurance of premium, fresh rice. Infuse your bathroom with a burst of freshness. Our toilet seat stickers don't just stick around, they deodorize too. Simply peel off the backing and stick our deodorizing wonders to your toilet seat. No tools, no mess, just an effortless upgrade that takes seconds. Our toilet seat stickers come in an array of delightful scents, from lavender tranquility to zesty citrus burst. Find the perfect fragrance to suit your mood and create a personalized oasis. Transform your car into a cozy haven. Our inflatable air mattress is your ticket to comfort on those long road trips. Say goodbye to uncomfortable backseats and hello to a travel experience like never before. Our air mattress is designed for optimal comfort, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for your next adventure. With our user-friendly design, you can inflate your mattress effortlessly using a car charger or portable pump. When it's time to hit the road again, deflate just as easily for compact storage. No matter the size of your car, our air mattress is up for the challenge. Elevate your dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. Our fruits carving tools are crafted for culinary artists like you, turning fruits into edible masterpieces that delight both the eyes and taste buds. From intricate patterns to detailed designs, our carving set ensures you can effortlessly create beautiful fruit arrangements with every cut. Use our carving tools to add a touch of elegance to salads, garnish desserts, or create stunning fruit platters that steal the spotlight at any gathering. Make mealtime a joyous occasion. Engage the whole family in the creative process of carving fruit. It's a fantastic way to encourage healthy eating habits while enjoying quality time together. Embark on your motorcycle adventures without worrying about where to stash your belongings. With our handlebar hooks, you have the freedom to explore and carry essentials effortlessly. Our hooks are designed with durability in mind, providing a reliable grip for your bags or gear, ensuring they stay firmly in place during your ride. Our hooks are easy to install, instantly upgrading your riding experience. Experience the next level of comfort for your toes. Our toe sleeves protector wraps your toes in a cloud-like embrace, providing relief and protection with every step. Don't let discomfort cramp your style. Slip on our toe sleeves with any footwear, from sneakers to heels, and revel in the freedom to wear your favorite shoes without the worry of friction or discomfort. Whether you're hitting the gym, striding through the office, or dancing the night away, our toe sleeves offer all-day support. Elevate your kitchen or bathroom with our Countertop soap dispenser pump, a touch of modern elegance that effortlessly blends style and functionality. Our dispenser comes with an extension tube kit, ensuring the soap goes exactly where you need it and not on your countertop. The sleek design adds a chic touch to your space, while the practicality of a dispenser keeps your sink area clean and organized. Say goodbye to the day's stress. Our electric foot massager provides heavenly relief, melting away tension and soothing your tired feet. The deep kneading nodes mimic the hands of a skilled masseuse, targeting pressure points to alleviate aches and pains. With adjustable settings, you control the intensity and heat to tailor the massage to your liking. Enjoy a gentle, soothing touch or a more invigorating knee. Compact and portable, our foot massager lets you indulge in relaxation wherever you are. Transform your serving experience with our stackable round trays. Whether hosting a soiree or enjoying a cozy night in, these trays bring a touch of elegance to any occasion. Our trays are designed to stack seamlessly, saving valuable space in your kitchen or serving area. A practical and stylish solution for the modern home. These round trays are perfect for presenting appetizers, desserts, or a curated selection of snacks. Embrace freedom during your run. Our waist bag pack provides a hands-free experience, allowing you to focus on your stride without the hassle of holding your essentials. Crafted with performance in mind, our running belt is designed to be lightweight, ensuring it won't weigh you down during your most intense workout. The adjustable strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit around your waist, preventing any bouncing or shifting while you conquer your fitness goals. With multiple pockets and compartments, our running belt accommodates your smartphone, keys, cards, and energy gels, ensuring you have everything you need for a successful run. Say goodbye to slippery soap. Our self-adhesive soap holder keeps your soap in place, preventing messy soap residue in the shower and ensuring a clean, organized space. The self-adhesive design means no tools or drilling required. Simply peel, stick, and enjoy a secure soap holder instantly. Perfect for renters or anyone looking for a quick and easy solution. The smart water draining design allows excess water to escape, promoting efficient drying and preventing soggy soap. Our portable folding toilet is your go-to solution for outdoor adventures, road trips, camping, or any situation where nature calls. The folding design ensures easy portability. Collapse it into a compact size when not in use, and effortlessly unfold when nature calls. The soft seat provides a cozy and supportive surface, making your outdoor bathroom experience as close to home comfort as possible. Don't let the rain dampen your spirits. Our hooded rain poncho is not just about staying dry, it's a fashion statement. Our poncho features a sleek and streamlined design that keeps you dry without sacrificing style. It's the perfect blend of functionality and fashion. Our poncho is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your bag or backpack. Our sun hat seamlessly blends fashion and function. The wide brim doesn't just make a style statement, it provides ample shade, keeping you cool and protected during your sun-soaked adventures. From beach days to garden parties, our sun hat is your versatile companion. Experience the joy of cleaning with our advanced mop and bucket set. Effortlessly tackle dirt and grime, transforming your cleaning routine into a breeze. Our innovative Wringer ensures you can effortlessly control the moisture level of your mop. No more wet floors or excess water, just the right dampness for efficient cleaning. The mop's 360-degree swivel head allows you to reach tricky spots effortlessly. Say goodbye to those hard-to-reach areas that often escape a thorough clean. Our set comes with separate compartments for clean and dirty water. Keep your cleaning solution fresh, ensuring every swipe leaves your floors sparkling clean. Our mop and bucket set is designed with your convenience in mind. The compact design allows for easy storage without compromising on performance. Say goodbye to juggling acts. Our umbrella hat keeps you hands-free while shielding you from the elements. Enjoy outdoor activities without the hassle of holding a traditional umbrella. Our umbrella hat provides portable shade, ensuring you stay cool and protected on the hottest days. It's your stylish and practical accessory for a sun-soaked adventure. Tailor it to your style. The adjustable headband ensures a snug fit for everyone. Choose from a range of vibrant colors and patterns to match your mood and outfit, a fashion statement in the rain or shine. Experience the epitome of convenience with our bedside commode chair. It brings the comfort of a bathroom right to your bedside, ensuring easy access whenever you need it. Crafted with durability in mind, it's not just a piece of furniture, it's a statement of reliability. Our commode chair is adjustable to different heights, making it suitable for various users. Whether it's for a senior family member or someone recovering from surgery, find the perfect fit for ultimate comfort. Dive into a world of frozen delights. Our silicone popsicle molds are a canvas for your creativity. Craft gourmet popsicles with vibrant layers, fruity surprises, or even creamy indulgences. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. These molds are perfect for family-friendly DIY popsicles. Unleash the power of detailing. Our interior brush is meticulously crafted for precision, reaching every nook and cranny of your car's interior. Say goodbye to dust, crumbs, and lingering particles, and hello to a spotless, showroom-worthy cabin. The soft bristles of our detailing brush ensure a gentle touch on delicate surfaces like dashboards, vents, and leather upholstery. Achieve a thorough clean without the worry of scratches or damage. Say goodbye to worries with our leak-resistant cover pants. Engineered to keep you dry and comfortable, these pull-ons are your reliable companion, providing confidence and protection against leaks. Crafted with soft, breathable fabric, our cover pants feel like a second skin. Enjoy all-day wear without compromising on comfort, because comfort and confidence go hand in hand. Our cover pants feature a discreet design, allowing you to move with ease while maintaining your sense of style. Embrace confidence without sacrificing your fashion sense. Our pants boast cutting-edge leak-proof technology, providing superior protection against leaks. Whether it's for everyday use or special occasions, trust in the reliability of our leak-resistant cover pants. The pull-on design ensures a hassle-free wearing experience. No more struggling with complicated fastenings, just slip them them on and experience the ease of our cover pants. Thanks for diving into the world of gadgets with us. Have a favorite gadget or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the coolest gadgets hitting the market. Join our gadget community and be the first to know. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep exploring the wonders of the gadget universe. See you in the next video.